chapter cylinder na. This is what? Cylinder. What are the formulas? Okay. You see the formula. First formula is curved surface area. Curved surface area of curved surface area of cylinder. What is the curved surface area?
2 pi RH.
Huh?
2 pi RH.
2 pi
RH.
RH. How it is coming? Let us see. Huh? What is the curved surface means what? This is the curved part. Yes or no? Huh? In a cylindrical, suppose this is what? Cylinder. In this cylinder, this is the curved part. Yes or no? This is the curved part or no? Like bangles. Yes or no? This is the curved part. If this is the curved part, then if you see, this curved part is made by, suppose, you know about bangles? Churi. So, now if you put bangles like this in a stack, so it will become what? Shape of a cylinder. It will form a shape of cylinder. Yes? Okay. What is for what? Circumference. And this is inside it is what? Radius. But we don't need the radius. We need the what? Circumference only. The curved part only. Yes or no? So the curved part. What is the curved part? 2 pi r. It was what? 2 pi r. So suppose many bangles you have put here. So h height. Suppose how many height? How much height? H height. So 2 pi r. How many times? H height times. Yes or no? So the formula will be 2 pi r h. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
See, if you put bangles like this. Suppose if you put bangles like this way, it will become a cylinder. Yes or no? So one bangle, it is like circle. So the circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. How much height? Suppose h height. So it will be how much? 2 pi r h. So the formula will be 2 pi r h. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then the total surface area. Total surface area means what? The curved part. The curved part, the above circle and the base also. Yes or no? Chinmoy? The curved part, the above circle and the base circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now, total surface area of
Cylinder.
cylinder. It will be how much?
2 pi RH.
See, curved part is what? 2 pi RH. We will not write here. We will write here. Curved part is what? Curved surface area plus above circle. The area of the circle is what? Formula. Above circle is?
2 pi r.
Huh?
2 pi r.
Area of circle. Curved place we have written already. The circle, area of circle. That was the circumference of the circle. Previous one, 2 pi r was the circumference. This one, see, area of circle is what? Pi r square. Area of circle is what?
Pi r.
Then below circle will be
Pi r.
pi r square. And curved surface area is how much? 2 pi r is plus pi r square plus pi square. 2 pi r square. Yes or no? 2 here is there. Here is 2. Here is also 2 is present. So I can take 2 as common. Pi it is here also. Here also. I can take pi also as common. R here is also there. Here is also there. It is R also we can take common. So 2 pi r. What is that? H left. Plus 2 pi 1 r you have taken. 1 r is left here.
Yes, sir.
The formula will be 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Easy? Huh? Easy or not, Chinmoy? Now understood from where the formula came. Now the volume. Volume means what, Chinmoy? Volume means, suppose capacity. Volume means we think as a volume of water in a water bottle 1 liter. It is written or not?
Yes.
So volume means what? कैपेसिटी. अभी इसका अंदर में कैपेसिटी कैसे पता चलेगा? इसका अंदर में कितना कैपेसिटी, कितना वाटर हेल्प कर सकता है, मतलब होल्ड कर सकता है ये, कैसे पता चलेगा? विद द फॉर्मूला. व्हाट? पानी कहाँ पे जमा होगा? सिर्फ ये यहाँ पे, सिर्फ द बाउंड्री में पानी तो अंदर में पूरा जगह में होगा ना? हाँ, यस और नो? तो अभी देखो, नीचे से अगर तुमने एक स्लाइस काट दिया एक सिलेंडर का, तो ये क्या शेप लेगा? एक सर्कल का. सोचो नीचे में इतना पानी है बस, यस और नो? एक स्लाइस काटे तो इतना पानी है. तो ये वाला जगह किसको क्या कहता है? एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. सपोज तुम्हारा घर का बाउंड्री लीजिए, तो इसको क्या कहेगा? एरिया इनसाइड पार्ट. यस और नो? दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. इट इज व्हाट? हाउ मच? फार्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर. ऐसे करके बहुत सारा सर्कल बन जाता है, एक सिलेंडर बन जाएगा. यस और नो? So h height का अगर सिलेंडर हुआ तो 2 pi r square h. So the volume will be what? Pi r square h. Understood? This much water it can hold, or this much is the volume of the cylinder. In your class, centimeter cube, meter cube will be the unit of volume. Okay, write this one. Write written. Huh? This six. Chinmoy written. Chinmoy, did you understand it? Huh? You understand it? Okay, now exercise 13 point. 13 point what? 2. See, in 13.2 it is given, see, assume pi equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. You have to assume what? Pi equal to 22 by 7. So question number 1. What is question number 1 here? Chapter 13, exercise 13.2. That is not required. Now, what to do? Question number 1. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder. What? The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters. Curved surface area. See, the curved surface area of right circular cylinder means what? This is a cylinder. Okay. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height. Height is how much given? 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Curved surface area is how much given? 88 centimeter square. Hey, look here. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. What is the formula?
2 pi r. Curved surface area.
2 pi r h. Okay. Now see. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height is how much given? Height is how much given? Height is given how much? 14 centimeter. So 2 into pi value is how much?
22/7.
7 into r into h value is how much? 14. Okay, centimeter. We will write the unit later on. Okay. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is curved surface area is how much given? 88. In place of curved surface area, can I write 88?
Yes.
Yes, Timur. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
88 centimeter square. Centimeter square not needed now. Write the centimeter now. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Now if you see 2 into 22, how much?
24.
44 into 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Into
2.
R. See, 2 into 22, 44 into 2 into R. Yes? And here? 44 into 2 is how much? 88 into R. R will be equal to how much? 88 is multiplied with R.
Yes, sir.
If you transfer this 88 before equal sign, it will be divide. What, Sajid?
Divide.
Divided by
88.
88 ones are 88. 88 ones are 88. So the radius will be how much? Will be how much? 1. What was the unit given in centimeter? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter. What did they ask you? Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Radius you got. Diameter will be how much? 2 into radius, double. Yes or no? Radius is 1. Diameter will be 2. Yes or no? Diameter will be equal to 2 centimeter. और एक राइट इन प्लेस ऑफ 2 सेंटीमीटर में व्हाट डायमीटर क्या होता है? 2 रेडियस मिलके एक डायमीटर होता है. यस और नो? 2 into radius. 2 into radius is how much? 1. 2 ones are 2. ये बच्चा वाला है ये करने से तो डायरेक्ट कर लिया. 2. Chinmay, after knowing the formulas, is it easy to solve the questions? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So what do you expect? What should I expect from you this year in annual? It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. What tank? Closed cylindrical tank. That means upper one also close, lower one also close. Of height, how much? 1 meter. Suppose the diagram is like this. A cylindrical tank is what?
Close.
Not hollow, okay? It is close. Of height is how much? The height is how much?
1 meter. 1 meter.
Height is 1 meter. And the base diameter is how much? 140 centimeter. The base diameter from here to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. How much base diameter? How much given?
140.
140.
100 centimeter equal to how much meter?
1 meter.
1 meter. So 140 centimeter will be how much meter? 1.4 meter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So the units are same now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The units are same or not?
Yes, it is meter to
Meter?
meter.
Meter. This is the height and this is what?
Base.
Base diameter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Base diameter. Now, how many square meter of the sheet is required for the same? To make this metal, okay, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. एक closed cylindrical tank बनाना है हम लोग को, ठीक है? हाइट कितना है? 1 मीटर. बेस डायमीटर कितना दिया हुआ है? 140 सेंटीमीटर. इट मीन्स 1.4 मीटर डायमीटर. how many square meter of the sheet are required for the same? अब तो सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक तो बना हुआ नहीं आता है, वो फैक्ट्री में मैन्युफैक्चर किया जाता है, तो उसको क्या सिलेंडर शेप में बनाना है। पहले जो शीट होगा वो कैसा होगा, प्लेन होगा, यस और नो। उसको बनाना पड़ेगा, कितना शीट चाहिए हम लोग को, कितना एरिया वाला शीट चाहिए, यस और नो। सपोज दिस इज दिस मच शीट, तो कितना एरिया चाहिए, दिस इज द यू नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया, यस और नो। सो हियर यू डू लाइक दिस, यस और नो। फिर ऊपर वाले का भी एरिया चाहिए, नीचे वाले का भी एरिया चाहिए। सो नाउ सी, दैट मींस वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस cylinder, that will give you the area of the sheet required. So area of cylinder, we'll find the total surface area, yes or no, because the cylinder is what, closed. What is the formula?
2 pi r
bracket
h plus r.
h plus r. See, 2 into pi is what?
22 and
22 by, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. And r, you have the diameter there. Height is here, okay? Height is how much? 1 meter. Diameter is how much?
1.4
Huh?
1.4
meter. So radius will be how much?
0.7 meter.
Yes, 0.7 meters. Kada 1.4. Half of 1.4 is 0.7 meter. So now in place of radius, how much you write?
0.7.
0.7. Height is how much? 1 meter. Meter is not needed now. Okay. Plus radius is how much? 0.7. Can I cancel this one? 7. 7 on the 7. So before how many digit the point was there?
1.
So 1 digit. 22 to the
44.
44 into 0.1.
1.
Then here 1 plus 0.7. So 1.7. Yes, Chinmay. 44 ones are.
44.
Before how many digit the point is there? 1 digit. Bracket means what? Into or multiply into 1.7. 4.4 into 1.7. 7 fours are
28.
28. 8 in hand. 2. 7 fours are 28. And 2.
30.
30. 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are
4.
8. 4. 3 plus 4.
7.
Before how many digit the point is there? 2 digit. Yes or no? Huh? Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. Total how many digit? 2 digit. So before 2 is 7.48. Answer will be 7.48. You are finding the area, total surface area. That means what? In meter, the unit are in meter, so it will be what? Meter square. This much metal sheet is required to make this cylinder. Understood? Huh? This was what question? Question number 2. You have written question number 2 there. Now question number 3. Look at here very carefully, okay? A metal pipe. What is there? Metal pipe. Question number 3. Look here. This is a metal pipe. Understood? कभी देखा ऐसा पाइप है? Suppose if I close one copy You see, suppose this is what?
Pipe.
Metal pipe. So what? This is what?
Circle.
This is the inner surface area, curved surface area. This is the inner curved surface, and this is the what? Outer curved surface. Because it has what? Thickness. It has what? Thickness. So it is given. See in your book, the question is told a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The length of the pipe is how much? 77 centimeter long. Then the inner diameter of the diameter है अंदर का, that is how much of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter कितना है? 4 centimeter. And the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Outer diameter कितना है? ये है inner diameter 4 centimeter. और outer diameter कौन सा बनेगा? देखो मैं I will show you हाँ. Okay. You see here. You write it also. Okay. The height is how much?
77
centimeter. This is the total bigger circle diameter. So it is called what? Outer diameter. And two circles go together. This is called from here to here
Inner diameter.
inner diameter. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now what is given?
Inner curved surface area.
Number 1. The outer diameter is how much given? 4.4 centimeter. And the inner diameter is how much given? 4 centimeter. Now see. The diagram you understood?
Yes, sir.
Outer diameter how much?
4.4
4.4.
centimeter.
That means what? 2.2 centimeter will be the outer radius. That is capital R. Okay. You take it what I have written? Capital R. Inner diameter is how much? 4 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So inner radius will be half of the diameter.
Yes, sir.
So inner radius will take what? Smaller? Huh?
Yes, sir.
It will be 2 plus 10. Done. Go home. Tomorrow we'll start next chapter, okay? Chapter 13.
So 14 na?
No, not 14, 13. Surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. There are 2 exercises. We'll complete there, okay? Now, till here. Then, height is how much?
77 centimeter.
Now you need to find in question number 1. What you need to find?
Inner curved surface area.
Inner curved surface area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inner curved surface area formula is what for curved surface area? 2 pi r h. 2 pi for inner radius is how much? Smaller? 2 pi smaller h. 2 into pi value is what? 22 by smaller is how much? 2 centimeter. Height is how much? 77. 7 ones are 7. 7 11s are 77. 11 fours are 44. 11 twos are 22. 22. 2 into 22 is 44 into 11 2 is
22.
22. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then how much? 44 into 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is
8. 8.
2 4 is 8.
8. 8. 1 in 9. 9.
9 6
8.
8 centimeter square. Write it down. Understood or not?
Yes.
Chinmoy, did you understand?
Can do.
Eh?
That two can do.
That two can do,
Yes.
cannot do.
Twist is there.
Twist is there. Very much twist is there. Okay, actually, right? Yeah, that is S looking as S. Okay, for Chinmoy. Okay, this is not R. Okay, for Chinmoy, this is what? Now this is R. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Chinmoy, this is not R now?
There are only this.
Eh?
There are only this.
That one only R. This one is not R, huh?
Sounds what?
This what I wrote.
Yes.
Now inner surface area of question number 2. Outer curved surface area of outer. You need to find the outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. CSM is what? Curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. What is the formula? 2 pi. Now what R? For outer radius is how much? Capital R. What's even bigger? H. 2 pi R H. 2 is how much? 2 into pi is how much? 2 by 7. Capital R is how much? 2 by 2. Height is how much? 7.77. 7 on the 7. 7 11 is the 77. Now 2 into 22. 22. 44. 22 into 11. 2 on the 2, 2 on the 2. 2 on the 2. 2, 4, 2? Yes? Before one digit the point is there? Hey! Before one digit the point is there? So before one digit you put the point. Now 2, 4, 2 is multiplied with? 2, 4, 2 is multiplied with? Huh? In 11 point is not there. Okay. 2, 4, 2 into 44. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 6 in and 1. 4 2s are 8 in and 1. 9. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 6 in and 4 2s are 8 in and 1. 9. 8. 8 plus 6. 14. 4 in and 1. 9 in and 1. 10 plus 6. 16. 6 in and 1. 9 in and 1. 10. 1 0 6 4 8. Before how many digits the point was there? 1 digit. Before 1 digit you put the point. So the unit is how much? What? Unit was given in what? Centimeter? So you are finding the area, so centimeter
Square.
Easy?
Yes.
Again, don't start writing from here, okay? For this third part, listen here very carefully, okay? The third part is little twisted. They ask you about what? Total surface area. Now you think the outer surface area plus the inner surface area, whatever we found in question number 1 and 2, we will do what? Add. Will add. Will it what? No, because see. Suppose, give me a copy. Suppose this is the cylinder. If this is the cylinder, this is what? Curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. Then there is inner curved surface area. Then this is what? Here you have colored. Okay, surface area means outer curved surface area. Here is the inner curved surface area. Here also you have colored. Here also you have colored. Then this surface area is left or not? It was thick or not? हाँ आउटर और इनर कैसे बना? बीच में एक मोटा पा है, विड्थ है, एक विड्थ है, ऐसा नो? तो इसका भी तो एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. That means what? This is in the shape of what? A circle? Outer circle minus inner circle. तो इसका एरिया निकल जाएगा? Yes or no? Yes or no? हाँ? Thickness of the question is what? Thickness of the metal pipe. Thickness of the metal pipe. No. Don't write that. If this is the cylinder, okay. If this is a cylinder, this is outer surface area, this is what? Inner curved surface area, this is what? Outer curved surface area. Then this area, the thickness is called cross section area. What? It is called cross section area. This is called not volume. Volume is inside, total inside, whatever water you can have. The volume is what? If you have a plastic bottle, the plastic is the volume. No, whatever water you can put inside is the volume. This is the example, okay? This is what? Cross section. पाइप देखा कभी? हाँ? ऐसा पाइप देखा है, मोटा पाइप? इसमें इतना थिकनेस वाला पाइप देखा है? हाँ? तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया. अंदर वाला इनर का सर्फेस एरिया, आउटर वाला आउटर का सर्फेस एरिया. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया. You need to find the cross section area. Here also cross section area is there. Here also there. So area of cross section. Will be equal to here. In how many faces the cross section area is there? Here is there and two cross section area is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here is there and this side and this side. So how many are there? Two are there. So cross section area. So here outer circle is there, inner circle is there. Same outer circle and inner circle here also it is there. So see, can I write area of cross section will be equal to 2 into outer circle minus inner circle, because the outer circle minus inner circle, again outer circle minus inner circle. Yes or no? हाँ? Can I write 2 into 2? दोनों सेम ही होगा. So 2 into outer circle is how much? Outer circle, area of outer circle, area of, and it is also area of outer circle. See, area of circle is formula is what? Pi r square. For outer circle, the radius is what? Capital R, pi, capital R square, then minus. From the outer one, if you subtract the inner one, the cross section will be left. Yes or no? So minus pi, area of inner circle, pi small r square. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Then total area of cross section. Total area of
Radius is 2.
2 into this is this 2. Wait. Yes, because outer circle different radius, inner circle different radius. Inner circle will have small radius and outer circle will have what?
Yes.
Larger radius. See, outer circle 2.2 and inner circle radius is 2 centimeter. Understood or not? So now see, pi. Can you take pi as common also from here?
Yes.
Here also pi is there. Here also pi is there. Can I take pi as common outside?
Yes, sir.
Pi outside. Then capital R square minus
Small r.
pi value is how much?
21, sir.
3 2 1 7. Capital R means what? Capital R is 2.2. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
2.2 square minus small r is what? 2 square. 2.2 into 2.2 is how much? 22 into 22 is how much?
44.
42.
2 2s are 4. 2 2s are
4.
4 8 4. That means 4 8 4. It is what? 2.2 and 2.2 multiply. So before 2 digit the point is there?
Yes, sir.
Before 2 digit 4.84 minus 2 square is how much? 4. 4.84. See. 2 into 22 by 7 into 4 minus 4 0. 0.84. How much will come? 0.84. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अबे 4 में से 4 को माइनस किया
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
तो 0 हो गया, रह क्या गया? Understood? 4.84. 7 ones are
7.
7.
12.
7 ones are 7. How much is left? 1 is left. 1 will come in front of 4. 14. 7. 2 is 14. Before 2 digit the point was there? 0.12. Yes?
Yes.
Then how much? 22 into 2 is 44 into 0.12. How much? 44 into 12. Yes or no? 7 on the 7. 7 on the 7. 1 is left. 14. 7 to the 14. 12 is there or not? 12 fours are how much? 48. 12 fours are
48. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
with the table of 12 directly you are multiplying. 12 fours are 48. Take in and 4. 12 fours are 48. Plus 4 52. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. How much? 52. 5, 2, 8. Before how many digit the point is there?
2 digit.
Before 2 digit the point will be there.
No, sir. No, sir. Not only.
Eh?
I think 0 को I'm multiplying now.
अबे 44 into 0.12.
Oh.
Before 1 to the point is there. Yes or no? Before 2 digit the point will be there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 5 point. This how much? 5.28. You are finding the cross section area.
Yes, sir.
क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया यहाँ पे भी क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया है, इस तरफ में भी क्रॉस सेक्शन, इसलिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था.
हाँ.
क्लियर? तो 5.8 एरिया मींस व्हाट यू नीड? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Now what do we do? Total surface area they ask for. See Sajid, this is the twist. Na?
Yes, sir.
Cross section area is the twist. Now they ask for what? Huh? Total surface area. Area of outer का surface area of outer cylinder plus का surface area of
Formula तो
inner. No, not that formula. Cross section area is there na.
Oh. This one is.
See, inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus, see, what is the total surface area you need to know, okay? See here, when this type of pipe is there, outer curved surface area
Yes, sir.
plus inner curved surface area, okay, plus this cross section and this cross section. So area of cross section 2 into same cross section is that's why 2 into. So our total surface area will be how much? Huh?
Sum of all
Inner
inner sides all
inner curved surface. How much? How much it will be? Outer curved surface area plus area, total area of cross section. Yes or no? This is total area of total area of cross total area of cross section. Yes? Yes or no? Now if you see inner curved surface area, how much you got? Just see how much you got inner curved surface area. 968 centimeter square plus outer 106.8 like this plus wait now total area of cross section how much you got? 5 point now you add after point what is there? 8 before point what is there? 4 6 0 1 4 6 0 1 so can I put 1 0? Yes, in place of point I am giving point 2 8 28 is there then before point 5 is there you add all the numbers 0 plus 0 plus 8 8 plus 2 10 0 yes or no in place of point I am giving the point 8 plus 2 10 0 in hand 1 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 5 17 17 plus 1 18 8 in hand 6 plus 6 12 in hand 1 13 3 in hand 1 9 plus 1 10 0 in hand 1 2 see the answer back side 2 0 3 8
This was your answer. Starting point 2 number 3 and